So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. And bring the arms down. We'll come up onto the toes, reach the arms up, belly button squeezed in, and control back down. So inhale, lengthen up, exhale down. Inhale, reaching for the sky, exhale down. Inhale and exhale. So one more inhale and we'll stay up. Bring the arms to shoulder level, so staying on the toes, and the small circles with the arms. And the other way. And then we'll do bigger circles, just a little bit more control. And the other way. And bring the arms down, come back to the heels, bring the feet together, palms together. Lengthen up and we'll go gently to the left. So inhale, lengthen up, exhale to the right. Back to center. Inhale, exhale to the left, and center. Inhale, exhale to the right, and center. One more each side. Inhale, exhale over, and center. Inhale, exhale, and center. Bring the arms down. So balance pose, and we'll do dancer's pose. So standing on that right leg. So standing on, the right leg. Take hold of the left foot with the left hand. Bring the right arm up. So inhale and exhale forwards just a little bit. And then gradually work into the pose. And then coming down, other side. Standing on the left, and the right leg up, taking hold with the right hand, left arm up, and then just in your own time, working into the pose, gradually lifting the leg. So come down, we're going to do 3 each side. So the second one, try and just come into the pose. Inhale first. Exhale forwards, lifting that back leg, and breathe. Come down, other side, taking hold of that right foot, and inhale, exhale forwards as we lift the leg. Remember, try and keep the foot away from the bottom. Bring that leg down. One more each side. Inhale and exhale. And down. Last one. Inhale and exhale. And bring the leg down. So we're going to do the warrior one. So have the right foot forward, left foot back. So the left heel is down, and the foot is slightly angled. That front knee is bent. Now we can bring the arms up if you want to, or keep the hands to the chest, whichever feels best. Now if you want, we're going to come into warrior one humble. So take the arms behind, and then bring the body onto the thigh, and lift the arms up. Remember, nothing should hurt. Then control back up. Release the hands and do the other side. Look that left leg forward, right leg back. So good bend in that front knee. Back leg is straight with the heel down. And then bring the arms up if you want to. You can either stay in warrior one or turn it into warrior one humble. So the arms are behind. So bring the body onto the thigh and we'll try lifting the arms up. And you control back up and we come back to the good posture and the breathing. And take the shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. And aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Just letting the belly expand. And we bring the arms down and we're all done.